Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Washer Tub Baffle. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tub baffle. The tub baffle is located in the washer tub and helps tumble the clothes. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the washer door. Now that we have the door open, we can reach in with our Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw that holds the tub baffle to the tub. Now that we have the screw out, we can reach in and pull the tub baffle out. There's a locking tab that holds it on, so we're going to pull forward, and you might bend that tab in the process, but you just need to pull forward so we can lift it out. Once you have it slid forward, you can lift up on it and pull it out of the washer. Here's the old tub baffle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you're putting the new tub baffle into the washer, you want to make sure you put it in the right way. This short section right here goes in the rear, and this longer section goes in the front. Before you put the new tub baffle in, we're going to reach in and straighten out this locking clip that got bent when you took the old one out. So we're just going to grab the needle nose pliers and straighten it out. Once you have it straightened out, we can put the new tub baffle in place. Just gonna set it down and push it back to lock it in place. Once you have it in place, we can grab the Phillips screwdriver and put the screw in. Now that we have the new tub baffle installed, we can close the washer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.